Hi guys, this is Sayed. Today we are going to see LC accounting entry. Yesterday I made the video for what is the LC account. Now we are going to see what is the LC, how we are going to make the entry. Okay, you can see when buyer open the LC with bank, what is the entry will come. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஒரு பையரு அதாவது ஒரு இம்போர்ட்டரு அக்கௌண்ட் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறாங்க பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் எல்சி. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த என்ட்ரி வில் கம். This is LC margin account debit to bank account is credited. Okay, this LC margin it is for not a normal account like it is purpose for only the LC. Okay, only this transaction we are doing. After we did the transaction, it will come zero. Okay, so that means this LC account it is only for like the LC purpose. Okay, like this LC transfer purpose only. So this is the entry. The second one, like when buyer pay LC advance payment, okay, like a margin payment. For example, like a 10. For example, I'm telling you, like a 10,000. Okay, what is 10,000 is the cost, but this buyer is paid for the advance payment like a thousand or like a 2,000, whatever. So we are going to adjust for the next future entry, but this is for the advance entry, like this advance payment like that. Okay, so what is the entry? Cash margin account is debited to bank account is credited. Okay, the cash margin account is debited to bank account credited. Okay, this bank account it is for like our company bank account. Okay, this amount is deducting from our current bank account like a current asset. Okay, this is okay, this is the actual account. Okay, the third entry, LC charge commission. Okay, that means this, this bank is deducting for this charge because the bank only like a bank is the center, correct? Importer and exporter is there. So whatever the exporter like this material, they are going to give to importer. Okay, buyer to seller. This material, it is the bank. So they have some service charges, correct? They have some commission. So that commission, what is the entry? LC bank charge expense account is debited to our current account. Okay, this is the current balance. I already explained. Na? This to bank account is credited. Okay, again I'm going to repeat this entry. LC bank charge, because of the LC, this bank is deducting the some charges. LC bank charge expenses account is debited to bank because it is deducting from our bank, right? To bank account is credited. Okay, the next one, see, on payment. That means what? Like we are going to make the payment to the supplier, or we are going to make the payment to the bank. The through bank it is going for the like a best through LC it is going to the like a supplier like a exporter. Okay, importer that make the payment to the bank, then bank will according to the LC bank will transfer fund to the exporter. Okay, what is the entry? Supplier or bank LC account is debited to bank account is credited to cash margin account. What is the cash margin account? I already explained 10,000 for something this material cost, but 2,000 we already paid for the advance. So for example, this 10,000 what is we are going to give now, this time 8,000 only we are going to transfer to the supplier. So that is why this cash margin, before this cash margin account is like a debited, now it is credited. Okay, you can compare those entry, you can understand easily. Again, next one, see, goods received. Whatever we paid the payment and everything is did, what we are going to do? We have to reversal the LC margin account, because the LC margin account it should come zero, because the LC margin account is like a bank is going to make the payment through LC because of the avoiding the fraud and risk, correct? Because without LC, yesterday video I already explained. Without LC, we make the payment. Maybe sometimes importer side or exporter side, both side will happen something, some mistake or whatever fraud or something. So both side is risk, correct? That is why we are using for the LC. Now we open the LC for this purpose. That means what? This account it should come 0. So you have to see the first entry. The LC account is debited to bank account is credited. Now we have to reversal that one. The inventory account is debited to LC margin account is credited. That means this LC account it is going for 0. Okay. Okay guys, this is for the letter of credit accounting journal entries. Okay. Okay guys, I hope everybody is understanding for these entries. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.